Hey guys, Krisha here. Please be cautious of any fake comments and emails you may receive from people pretending to be Mango Research. Sean and I will never, ever contact you for investment opportunities or anything of that sort. To get in touch with the real Mango team, make sure to join our official Discord chat using the link in the description below. Stay safe out there, and remember, do it Mango. And what's up, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's Bitcoin analysis video. I have Sean with me today. Sean, say hi.
Good morning, everyone.
So, Sean, the markets are still we're still seeing that technical weakness on the chart, and in fact, if we just hop on over to Crypto Fear and Greed Index, what do you know? It is at extreme fear, and just last month we were at greed.
So right. Greedy against resistance and fearful on support. How typical.
Exactly, because now the thing is that, is it warranted? Fear, maybe extreme fear, I don't know. And why is that? Because of what Sean just mentioned. It's the fact that we're on support. So now if you guys just get on over to the Mango dashboard, get on over to that Mango View tab. For those of you who have the premium account, well, get on over here because you guys have access to the support and resistance regions. But for those of you who are not on the premium account, you guys now have access to the weekly time frame as well as the 4-day time frame, two of which are not available if you have the free TradingView account. Okay, so just get on over to app.mangoresearch.co and you can get access to this. So as soon as we get on over to this weekly chart, Sean, and toggle on those 4-day SNR regions, and boom, what do you see here? Bitcoin bouncing on support. This support, guys, comes in at 40.5K. Okay, so yes, the fear may be warranted, but extreme fear, not yet. Not for as long as we live over this region of support. What are your thoughts on Bitcoin oscillating within this zone, Sean?
Well, if you go ahead and turn on your daily time frame over here on the dashboard, you're going to see that we have closed every single candle above that support zone. And remember, these are 4-day support and resistance lines that we are viewing on the daily time frame, right? So what's happening over here is that the 4-day support and resistance lines that we have been harping on over and over again ever since we broke this region over here towards the upside, right? I talked about how this region over here at 52,000 was going to be really key towards the upside, and I wasn't going to get too excited until we break that 4-day support and or rather 4-day resistance zone. Unfortunately, we did not break it, not on the 4-day time frame, right? We poked our heads about it on the daily, and then we've come right back down towards the support zone. So yes, price is looking weak over here, but you cannot get bearish until we see those levels break. The 4-day support line, right? And also the monthly coming up. Now, if we do close the monthly underneath that monthly 10 SMA, I will be looking for downside and perhaps even break this support zone over here. Why? Because we also have cleared the 4-day dynamic, right, through a trend perspective, and the 4-day 21 EMA through a trend perspective. So at the moment though, Krisha, you were the one who mentioned yesterday that we are essentially playing a range traders market, right? We've gone from the top of the range to the bottom of the range. And in fact, now we can start combining this with other concepts that we've been learning ever since this zone over here as well. There's one concept that I talked about over and over again, and that's the idea of a falling channel on over to higher time frame support, right? So if you have a lower time frame falling channel going on over to higher time frame support, there might be an opportunity for either a bounce, right? On the flip side, a break towards the downside. So right over here, we're looking at the 4-day support and resistance at around 41,500, right? So let's flip on over to the charts, Krisha, right? And right over here, I'm looking at the 1-hour time frame. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw this falling channel. Now, guys, I talked about this as soon as we woke up this morning on the Mango Discord chat. So if you guys aren't on the Discord chat, go ahead and join us at themangoway.com/Discord, because we do give you guys updates on there that we can't usually give you guys through video, right? So we have this falling channel. It's not the previous falling channel, it doesn't need to be, but we do have that 4-day support coming in from the dashboard, right, marked out for you automatically at around that 41,000 level. And where's it falling, or rather what time frames is it falling on? The 1-hour time frame on the 4-day support zone, which is considered to be a bullish setup. But there's more that we can add to that, and that's right over here on the oscillators. Right on the RSI, Krisha, we can see that we do have triple bullish divergence because the oscillators are not putting in lower lows while price is putting lower lows. We did get the trigger somewhere around this zone right over here at around 41,885, and now we are seeing that continuation. Now again, we spotted this earlier this morning, and this is on the 1 hour time frame, but it's not enough for me per se. I do want to see this cascade on over to the 4 hour time frame. So let's go ahead and quickly clear out our lines over here, get rid of this mess, and I'm going to switch on over to the 4 hour time frame, and we're going to see that we have something very, very similar going on over here. Stochastics on the 4 hour time frame also beginning to cross bullish, so that's a good sign. And we do have bullish divergence, I believe, between this area here and this area here, right? So prices put in a lower low, and oscillators have not put in a lower low. And again, we're looking for that continuation now, perhaps all the way to the top of the range here at around $44,000. It's not going to happen in one fell swoop. Well, likely not going to happen in one fell swoop, but we could put in a high low on the 4 hour time frame and then push towards the upside. Now keep in mind, Kusha, on the monthly time frame, we have that massive 10 SMA support level coming in too, right? So let's go ahead and pull that in. And right over here, it's coming in at, I believe, let's go and find the exact number, 42,723. So as long as the monthly closes above 42,723, it's gonna be a good picture, in my opinion, for Bitcoin. And we're beginning to see the initial signs of the bulls coming in to defend those 4-day time frame levels. The 1 hour oscillators, the 4 hour oscillators are beginning to switch bullish as well, give us that indication of that bounce leading into that daily and 20 hours left before we close the monthly time frame. So the signs are beginning to show. We also have crypto fear and greed sitting at 24. So this is a typical scenario where people tend to get really fearful at support, and we see the bounce and then get greedy when they're supposed to be a little bit more cautious, right? So now, am I saying that things are going to turn around over here? No. But what we can, with this entire analysis, what we can now say is that, hey, if the bears do break through these support levels, even with all of this going for the bulls, that's going to be a statement, right? We know then for sure that, wait a minute, the bears are in control. So at the moment, the bears have a point to prove, and if they do prove that point, it's going to be a strong point.
Yeah, so far we got all the ingredients, well, in the mixing pot on those lower time frames that could potentially lead to the monthly defending the 10 SMA. But hey, we don't have to wait too long for that. It's just a day and 20 hours, and we'll get the picture, okay, on a platter. So yeah, this is all we have for you. If we have any more updates as price unfolds, we'll likely post it on the Discord chat, so definitely join the Discord chat. I will be including a link in the description below. And with this, guys, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao.
Ciao, guys.